Hello viewers, we'll be going over JNUG and JDST. In this video, we'll be going over the day-by-day probability model as our support and resistance gauges, and these models are based on past trends that are similar to the current trend, but not identical, so do keep that in mind. So with JNUG on the technical analysis, on Friday closed around 7.8% on the 1-hour chart. We have reached overbought RSI, and we were at negative MACD on early Friday morning. It, however, reversed since then. As for the 4-hour chart, we have not reached overbought RSI, so there's still more room to head higher. And we also made a convergence on the 4-hour MACD. As for the daily chart, we also see that we have not reached overbought RSI yet, and we are encountered somewhat of resistance on the 100-day moving average, this orange line. So let's head to the day-by-day probability model. For JNUG, we only have a small sample size of 2 models found, so instead we'll be using JDST as our support and resistance levels, so up 24% and down 24%. So let's head to the charts. If JNUG were to head higher, say 24%, that price level to the upside is around $162. That will be our next resistance to the upside. And to the downside, if we manage to reverse lower, down 24%, that price level is around $103.72. And around that range, we encounter previous resistance levels. And since we're above resistance, that now act as our support. That we found previous resistance level that dated back all the way to May 19th. So now let's examine JDST. What we have here is it closed down 8.2% on Friday. As for the 1-hour chart, we see the opposite of what we saw in JNUG. We are reaching at oversold RSI. As for the 4-hour chart, what we have seen here is we continue to make lower lows. As for the daily chart, if we now examine the day-by-day probability model for JDST, as we progress to the 5th day or a week of trading, we have a 55% chance for JDST to climb between 0 to 24%, and to the downside, a 36% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 24%. And to the extreme case, to the downside, we have a 9% chance for it to fall between negative 24% to negative 49%. So we'll be using up 24% and down 24% as our support and resistance levels. So to the upside for JDST, the resistance level is around a price of $17.01, and that around that range we had previous support levels that dated back all the way to June 30th, and since we're below support level, that now act as our immediate resistance to the upside. And to the downside, if we do manage to average lower, the next support level will be around $10.36. So in this video, we went over JNUG and JDST. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.